This, that, those. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to CNR Private English Classes. This is a beautiful day, and this is an interesting lesson that we're going to have. Here I have a marker. Here I have markers. This is a marker. These are markers. Do you prefer this marker or these markers? Or maybe you prefer that marker. Or maybe those markers. Well, let's take a look at demonstratives. Demonstratives are these four words that we have here. We have this, we have that, these, and those. This, that, these, and those. We use this when you want to refer to an object that is near, in the distance, near, and singular, only one. So this, because it's near and singular. So this is a marker. This is a marker. This is a marker. You use that when the object is singular, again, only one, but also far. The distance is far. So this is a marker. That is a marker. That is a marker. This is a marker. That is a marker. This is a marker. That is a marker. Help me with the pronunciation here. This. The th, the. S. This. This is a marker. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is a whiteboard. This. Okay. Then we have that. Singular again, far. So this is a pen. That is a pen. That is a pen. Look the distance. That is a pen. That is a pen. That. This. That. This. That. Okay. Now, plural. If the objects, you are referring to plural, and the objects are near, for example here, plural, two, and near, you don't use this. In this case, you use these. These are markers. These are markers. The pronunciation here, the th, the, these, these are markers. These are markers. Look at the distance. These are markers. This is a marker. this, this. This is a marker. These are markers. These are markers. This is a marker. That is a marker. Now, if the objects are more than one, plural, far, you don't say that because this is that. That, only one. Now, if you have two or more, you would say those. Those. The th, though. Those with z. Those. Those are markers. Those are markers. These are markers. That is a marker. This is a marker. This is a marker. That is a marker. This is a marker. These are markers. Those are markers. Okay, here. This is a marker. That is a marker. Those are markers. These are markers. This is a marker. This is a marker. Okay. Here we see the example with a marker. But if you want to make it a negative sentence, you only need to add, to include not. This is not a marker. This is not a marker. This is not a marker. No. That is not a marker. These are not markers. Those are not markers. These are not markers. Those are not markers. Remember, you can make the contraction using the verb to be and not. And you can say, this isn't a marker. These aren't markers. Those aren't markers. That isn't a marker. Okay, remember, contraction, the verb to be. Watch the previous videos. Now, another use is when you have questions. Let's say that you have an object. Hey, I don't know this object in English. You ask, hey, what is this? What is this? Oh, what is that? Hey, what is that? What are these? What are these? What are those? What are those? So you can make questions. What is this? What is this? What is that? What are these? What are those? What is this? Etc. Now, to respond to those questions, you can use this, that, these, and those. Yes, you can use them to respond the questions. However, it is more practical, more convenient if you respond with it or they. Why? Because maybe I ask you, hey, Mario, Maria, or Ramonono, what is that? What is that? For you, the object maybe is near or it is far. So maybe you say that is a pen or this is a pen. Or maybe the opposite. Hey, what is this? And maybe you are next to me and for you it is this. Or maybe you are far and it's that. The point is, to avoid any confusion, you can say it. When the question is using this or that, you can respond with it. It. So what is this? It is a pen. It is a pen. What is that? It is a pen. It, the same. It is a pen. It is a pen. What are these? They are pens. What are those? They are pens. So what is this? It is a marker. What are, the question, what are these? What are these? Two, plural, near. What are these? The answer. They are markers. What are those? They are markers. What are those? They are pens. The question. What are these? They are pens. Only one. What is the question? What is this? What is this? Answer. It is a pen. Question. What are those? Answer. They are pens. Question. What is that? Answer. It is a marker. What is this? It is a marker. What are those? They are markers. What are these? They are markers. Okay, demonstratives. So, in other words, we use demonstratives to express this. When an object or a person is near, singular, this. When an object is far, singular, that. When the objects, you refer to them in plural and they are near, these. Far, those. Hey, you can be for people. That is my friend. That is my teacher. That is my car, etc. Negative, not. Remember that you can use the contraction. Isn't, aren't. Question, what is this? What is that? What are these? What are those? For answering the questions, we normally say, it is, they are. And that's everything. So, what is that you have in your hands right now? Tell me. One comment or two, and see you when I see you. Bye bye. Remember, CNR private English classes. Share it with your enemies. Bye bye.